Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel.
A foldable smartphone, also known as a foldable phone or simply foldable, is a smartphone with a folding form factor. It is reminiscent of the clamshell, or flip phone, design of many earlier feature phones. Some variants of the concept use multiple touchscreen panels on a hinge, while other designs utilize a flexible display. Concepts of such devices date back as early as Nokia's Morph concept in 2008, and a concept presented by Samsung Electronics in 2013, as part of a larger set of concepts utilizing flexible OLED displays, while the first commercially available folding smartphones with OLED displays began to emerge in November 2018.
Number 4, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 Factory Unlocked Cell Phone.
Getting that post-worthy solo shot is easy with a phone that stands on its own. Put Galaxy Z Flip 4 in flex mode and capture hands-free selfies, record your epic dance moves and never worry about your makeshift tripod falling over again. Catch up with friends on the top and find the perfect pic to post on the bottom. Flex mode makes doing two things at once a breeze. The customizable cover screen on Galaxy Z Flip 4 allows you to see just what you need while keeping your full screen private. Respond to text, stitch the bag and travel light. The compact slide your smartphone easily into even your front pocket. Your phone is your most used accessory, so why not make it an extension of your style? Choose from a wide array of colors and customize your cover screen so your mobile fits your vibe.
Number 3, Oppo Find N2 Flip Dual SIM 256GB ROM 8GB RAM.
This smartphone is not compatible / will not work with any CDMA networks including Verizon, Sprint, US Cellular. Please check with your network provider for 3G or 4G / LTE compatibility check before you purchase. Dual SIM, network compatibility, 6.8 inches, foldable LTPO AMOLED, 1080 x 2520 pixels, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 256GB storage, 8GB RAM, Android 13, MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus, 4nm, octa-core.
Number 2, Motorola Razr 2023 Unlocked made for US 8/128.
Ready for 5G on other select networks dependent on availability. Contact your service provider for details. Compatible with all major 4G US carriers including Verizon, AT&T and T-Mobile. It also works with prepaid carriers, including Cricket Wireless, Metro by T-Mobile, Simple Mobile, Total Wireless, TracFone, Net 10 Mint, TracFone and H2O. Flip the script with a pocket-friendly flip design in a range of fun trend-setting colors and a vegan leather finish. Stand your phone on its own at multiple angles, giving you entirely new ways to interact, capture and create. Fuel up fast with Turbo Pow 30W charging. Charge wirelessly. Check the weather, snap a selfie and more, all without having to flip open your phone. Flip open the phone to reveal an ultra smooth, incredibly vivid 6.9P OLED screen, combined with Dolby Atmos and spatial sound. Snap brilliant photos and selfies in any light with a 64MP external camera and OIS or a 32MP internal camera with quad pixel technology.
Number 1, Motorola Razr Plus 2023 Unlocked made for US 8/256.
Ready for 5G on other select networks dependent on availability. Contact your service provider for details. It also works with prepaid carriers including Cricket Wireless, Metro by T-Mobile, Simple Mobile, Total Wireless, TracFone, Net 10 Mint, TracFone and H2O. Access everything that matters without opening your phone on the largest, most advanced external display for a flip phone. Experience a fully interactive 3.6 external display, then flip open for an ultra-smooth, incredibly vivid 6.9 PO LED screen. Stand your phone on its own at multiple angles, giving you entirely new ways to interact, capture, and create. Capture more detail in any light or go ultra wide and fit more in the frame. Capture more detail in any light, go ultra wide and fit more in the frame, or see the tiniest details up close with macro vision. Boost your speed with a powerhouse processor, giving you a 20% increase in AI performance.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.